How to remove gift from Starbucks app. At first, launch the Starbucks mobile app on your device. Then tap on the Pay tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where your gift cards and payment methods are usually managed. Look for an option to view your gift cards or payment methods. This may be represented by an icon or a menu item like payment methods or gift cards. Then find the gift card you want to remove from the list of cards displayed. Depending on the app's interface, there should be an option to remove or delete the gift card. This option may be represented by an icon or a menu item like remove or delete. Then confirm the action to remove the gift card. The app may prompt you to confirm your decision before proceeding. Double check to ensure that the gift card has been successfully removed from your account. It should no longer appear in your list of payment methods or gift cards. Thanks for watching.